There are many ways to increase your energy and reduce fatigue. Staying hydrated, prioritizing personal relationships, and limiting alcohol are just a few strategies to consider. If you find yourself feeling sluggish, having difficulty staying awake, or chugging multiple cups of coffee just to make it to lunchtime, you are not alone. Here are 9 simple strategies to increase your energy levels naturally. But before going further into the video, do subscribe my channel. I am Kazim, 4th year med student and really love to share knowledge related to health, neuroscience, nutrition and a lot of other stuff. So consider subscribing my channel for more content and let's jump right into the video. Number 1 is sleep more. Many people cut into hours that should be spent in bed, such as pushing back bedtime to meet a deadline or study for an exam. Although the amount of sleep a person needs can vary slightly, experts generally recommend aiming for at least 7 hours of sleep per night to boost energy levels and support overall health. If you have trouble sleeping, you may benefit from setting a regular sleep schedule like reading a book or listening to relaxing music. Some research also suggests that limiting your use of electronic devices like your phone, laptop or television before bed could also help increase sleep quality and prevent daytime sleepiness. Number 2 is reduce stress. It's common for people with busy lives to feel stressed, anxious or overwhelmed. Consider what is frequently causing you to feel stressed or drained and ask yourself whether you can remove it from your life. If that's not possible or desirable, then what actions can you take to reduce your stress about that thing over the long term? Potential causes of stress include pressure of exams, or work, sudden stressful life changes like losing your job or dealing with the death or trauma like car accidents. In many cases, it may not be possible to completely remove sources of stress from your life. However, if you are able to reduce your stress levels, it could help bump up your energy levels. Strategies to increase your energy levels in the moment include taking some time for yourself to relax, reading or going for a walk. You could also try mindfulness or meditation techniques which may reduce anxiety. Number 3 is do exercise. Regular exercise is important for reducing your risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. According to one small study, university students who participate in a low intensity running program 3 times per week for 6 weeks experience a significant improvement in fatigue and sleep quality compared with control group. To incorporate exercise into your day, try getting away from your desk and going for a walk on your lunch break, taking the stairs instead of the elevator or lift, or walking to work or school instead of driving. Number 4, if you smoke, consider quitting. Smoking can negatively affect multiple health aspects and may increase the risk of numerous lung diseases. Over time, this can reduce the amount of oxygen transported throughout your body, making you feel tired. If you regularly smoke, quitting may be associated with many health benefits, including increased energy levels. Number 5 is limit alcohol. Drinking alcohol can have a sedative effect and may make you feel drowsy and relaxed. Many people mistakenly believe that drinking an alcoholic beverages can be an effective way to fall asleep faster. However, regularly drinking alcohol before bed can reduce the quality of your sleep. Alcohol can also act as a diuretic, meaning that it increases the production of urine. Therefore, if you have a few drinks right before bed, it could interrupt your sleep by causing you to wake up in the middle of the night. If you have hard time limiting your intake of alcohol or would like additional support, consider reaching out to a healthcare professional for more guidance. Number 6 is eat a nutritious diet. Choosing whole nutritious foods can provide your body with the vitamins and minerals it needs to function at its best. On the other hand, eating lots of processed foods that are highly in sugar and fat can negatively affect both your energy levels and your overall health. Additionally, some studies show that skipping meals may be linked to fatigue, anxiety, and poor attention. It's also important that you eat enough food to fuel yourself during the day. Number 7 is limit added sugar. When you feel tired, it can be easy to reach for a sweet sugar-filled snack. However, although sugar can give you a short-term energy boost, it also wears off very quickly and can leave you feeling more tired even than before. This is because high sugar foods cause a sharp spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a crash as the body releases a large amount of insulin to transport sugar from the bloodstream into the cell. Interestingly, one study showed that people reported experiencing 26% more fatigued when they followed a diet high in refined carbs and added sugar compared with when they consumed a diet filled with whole grains, fresh fruits and vegetables. So limit your sugar intake. Number 8. Drink enough water. In particular, dehydration can have a huge effect on your brain function, mood, energy levels, and more. For example, one small study found that acute dehydration significantly increased the perception of fatigue and impaired muscular performance in athletes. As a general rule, by drinking water whenever you feel thirsty to ensure that you stay hydrated. You might also need to increase your intake if you are very active or live in a hot climate. I made another video about how much water should you drink each day. Link is in the description, so do not forget to watch that video too. Here's the last but not least, number 9. Connect socially. Social connections are incredibly important for maintaining good health. In fact, social isolation can cause low mood and tiredness, especially as you age. Some research even indicates that having stronger social support could be associated with improvements in not only mental but also physical health. As you age, if you feel tired and in low spirits, it can be helpful to try socializing with friends, joining a club or class, volunteering, or finding a new hobby that gets you out and about. I hope you love this video, and if you give me thumbs up and consider subscribing my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much.